Are you tired of wasting time on unproductive apps, scrolling hours through social media to satisfy your dopamine? With these 5 apps, you can transform your 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know my top 5 recommended apps for 2025 to stay ahead in productivity, finance, and fitness. Let's get into it. My top productivity app that I'm sure you heard of from other YouTubers is called Notion. Notion is great for planning content with a Kanban style board and notes, and it can also be used to create a to-do list, travel list, grocery list, calendar, and many other tools. If you want to get ahead in your 2025 goals, then Notion is a great app to increase your productivity to reach those goals. Balance is a great app for your mental health and well-being. I use it multiple times a week for quick meditation sessions. They have programs tailored to your needs and other great features. I use it for meditating right before bed. It helps relax my body and mind. Pretty often I'll actually fall asleep while listening to it. This finance app is more for my Canadian viewers. Shakepay allows you to earn sats, also known as satoshis, which are fractions of Bitcoin. You can earn sats just by shaking your phone every day, and they give you a streak here too. You also earn sats back on purchases with their card, and if you join a Shake Squad, each member earns 42 sats for every user's purchase with the Shakepay card. If you'd like to join, you can use my referral link down below. Bevel is a health tracking app that I recently discovered, and I've been really liking it so far. It tracks your health stats from your iPhone Health app and displays them neatly. I currently have the free version, but I like to monitor my nightly sleep score, my strain recovery during my day, and most importantly, my stress level. There were not many Apple apps that track these statistics. Most of my friends have Garmin watches that tracks this data, but I'm glad Bevel exists, and it's a great free app to monitor your health trends throughout 2025. There's a good chance that most of you already heard of Strava. It's an awesome activity and workout tracking app, which also allows you to stay up to date with friends. You can post your activities on a feed and also give your kudos to your friends' activities. On top of that, it has great features such as trail suggestions, fun or tough challenges to join, and club searching to meet and connect with other active individuals near you. I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. If you made it here, let me know in the comments which app you'd like to try first. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you liked this video and subscribed if you haven't yet. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next video.